drinking right now.
I went all the way back here.
We need some coffee. But imagine going there or even there
Yeah.
in the summer.
I would do it.
That kind of feels a little strong.
Oh, that's what I said.
He's going down fast.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I started hitting the wall.
I did too.
Yeah.
We're not like,
It was slippery. You had to like, you were suffering in the water.
yeah.
You can't even hear. Yeah. Oh! They have to be confident.
Yeah.
When I was there and I looked down, I was like, it's still warm.
I know.
I thought it was done by now. He's last. He's after him.
Yeah, he's wearing Crocs.
That's my boy. How is he?
50. He'll be 16.
Oh, yeah? Mine's 17 and 9.
I have 18, 16, 50.
Oh.
Woo! That was the scariest part.
When he did that, I was like, oh.
It's dropping. That's the
When he
worst.
told, yeah, when he told me to let go, I'm like,
Yeah, look at